So we'll discuss answers to the paper. North pole of a magnet is brought near a glass. Magnet is this way. What they are doing in the experiment is they are bringing a magnet close. The clip is getting attracted, and slowly you pull the magnet out. Clip will also neatly come out. From here, we can say that there is no physical contact between magnet and the clip. But they're asking which you cannot conclude. So this definitely is a conclusion. Hairpins are magnetic in nature, which means they are attracted by magnet. That is also a conclusion. South pole is broad, then also it will attract. South pole of the magnet then will be repelled by the magnet. This will not happen. Water, does it affect the magnetic property of pin? Yes, definitely. Even inside the pin, it is getting. So A, B, and D are conclusion, but C is definitely not the conclusion because other three are conclusion. So ion will get attracted by north pole also, south pole also. Any magnet, ion will get attracted. Second one, correct statement regarding magnet. Because of attraction, north pole of magnet will always point to geographical south pole. No, north pole of a magnet will always point to north pole, geographical north. North pole of a compass needle will be replaced by a south pole. No, north and south will attract each other, not repel. Maglev trains works on the principle of repulsion between magnet. Yes, they are magnetically leviated trains. They work on the principle of repulsion between magnet. When a magnet is broken into two parts, each part will contain single pole only. This is wrong. When you break a magnet into two parts, each of them will become, so if this is north and this is south, if you cut it into two parts, this also will become north south, this also will become north south. So the correct answer here is option C. Then third one, Srinivas has four objects. Two of them are magnet and two of them are iron. Now the basic logic here is something is attracting, something is repelling means attraction is possible between magnet and iron only. Magnet and magnet if you take, then it can both attract also and repel also. So the moment you say repulsion is happening, immediately you can say both are magnets. Because magnet and iron cannot repel each other. So A and B are brought close, they are attracting each other. Which means this also can attract, this also can attract, we cannot be sure. B and C are brought close, they are repelling each other. The moment you get repulsion, it means B and C are magnets. So it means B and C are magnets. If B and C are magnets, then A and D are iron because the other two are iron and two are magnets. So B will be the correct answer. Fourth one, electrical fuse is a device that protects an equipment from being damaged when excessive current passes. That is correct. Switch of an electric sheet is called circuit gets completed. So when you close the switch, circuit is complete and current will flow. That is correct. Fuse is a device that breaks the circuit by melting itself. That is also correct. Iron is a poor conductor of electricity. No, iron is a good conductor of electricity. Here we can see through water. Here instead of seeing through water, it is acting like a mirror. We see the reflection. So water can be both transparent and also reflective. Because here it's acting like water is acting like transparent. Here water is acting like a reflector. So he writes physics on the wall, and opposite wall he had a mirror. So you can easily write it in a piece of paper, stick it in a wall opposite to a mirror, and you can easily observe what is the effect. So whatever is the first letter will be the last letter when you look into the mirror. So the last letter has to be P. So you can do a neat trick like this, but Yeah, but anyway, that will be. So if you have a mirror, what will happen is this is how it will get. So it means mm, out of these two options, this is the correct one. This will be the correct one. Here y is written in this manner, in a symmetric manner. So which of the following cannot produce rectangular shadow? This way it will produce rectangular shadow. This already rectangular. This also is rectangular. Cone, whatever you do, it cannot produce rectangle. Because this way if you put, it will be like triangle. From bottom if you pass light, it will be like circular hole. So answer for seventh one is cone. Second case, you are getting a circular shadow. Yes, from the top view, it will be like circle. From the side view, it will be like circle. From below, when you pass light on the above side, it will be like circle. But mobile phone, whatever you do, it will not be circle. So mobile phone is the answer for which does not produce circular image shadow. So ninth one is which of the following is not an example of oscillatory motions? Movement of guitars, wires in guitar string is definitely oscillatory. Swing is also oscillatory. Person skipping is also oscillatory. Wall clock hand, that is not all crazy because it will complete circle. It's not oscillatory means to and fro. It should go front and back, to and fro, to and fro. This continuously going in a neat. So if the wall clock is moving, hand is moving this way, this way, this way, to and fro, then only it will be oscillatory. But the hand is neatly rotating without oscillating. In which case will the bulb not glow? Definitely this aluminum tumbler will be a good conductor. Lemon juice is also good conductor. Notebook is definitely, paper is definitely not a good conductor. So this is when bulb will not glow. 1 rupee coin is also a good conductor. So that's all in this paper.